takeoff.
With 40,000 square feet of space, Newcastle Aviation has everything under one roof to fuel your aviation needs. Whether you're in the market for airframe rotables, repairable and expendable material, landing gear, or auxiliary power units, we've got it at our fingertips. At Newcastle Aviation, we have decades of combined experience supporting the commercial, regional, and general aviation industries, with clients and customers reaching all around the globe. Our facility is secure, protected by biometric fingerprint readers, assuring controlled access to various parts of the building. The gears start going into motion as soon as you place your order. That's when our commercial account managers go to work to get your part to its final destination. It starts with a pick ticket listing the shelf location of the part, the control ID, quantity required, name and address of the customer, and the shipping method required. Think of it as the flight plan to get your parts ready for takeoff. Once our logistics engineers locate and retrieve the part in the warehouse, they go to work verifying all the data on the pick ticket against the part and your purchase order. The part is then carefully re-inspected for damage and defects, with zero tolerance for error. Our well-established methodology helps ensure the customer receives the right part consistently. Before you can take flight, we need to be grounded. Our rigorous processes include using electrostatic discharge management to avoid static discharge to sensitive electronic components. Our logistic engineers are trained to connect themselves to the ESD workstation, which will sound an alarm if the engineer is not properly grounded. This all ensures the protection of the components being handled and their continued airworthiness. Finally, the shipping label is created. The part is verified and validated, then properly packaged using aviation standards to protect the material during shipping. Our close working relationships with FedEx, UPS, DHL, or other forwarders requested by the customer ensure we can accelerate the delivery of your part anytime, anywhere. Newcastle Aviation. We help you get back in the sky. Consider us an extension of your team without the added costs. Our #1 goal is to keep your aircraft flying, all the while optimizing your asset utilization.